Assalamualaikum class. Assalamualaikum class. This is Miss Warda here, your playgroup teacher, and today we are going to do another letter with another sound and another activities. And let's start the lesson with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And we are going to first of all sing a poem together. So let's sing. Its A was an elephant, stately and wise. He had two tusks and a trunk and two funny little eyes. So here we have done the sound a. The letter E has the sound a, and a was an elephant with the funny eyes. Moving on, we have a few objects on the screen that people need to recognize. So what is this? हमने अभी इसके बारे में पढ़ा है. It's an elephant. And it's the elbow जो कि सबके पास होती है. And here we have the eagle. Now here we need to make a correction that we are doing the short sounds of the letter E, that is A. So here we have the word eagle that has a long E sound. तो वो है long sound and we are doing the short sound. So you people need to be really clear, and the people who are teaching you the sound उनको भी clear होना पड़ेगा कि there are two sounds of vowels E, that is short one is A and the long one is E, the long. So these elephant, elbow, these are the short sounds of letter E, and here we have the long sound eagle. Moving on, here is a story and I am going to read the story in front of you. It's Ellie the elf was very short and green. He had a pet elephant who was big and fat. Ellie liked to eat eggs every day. His elephant loved to eat eggplant. One Sunday, Ellie was feeling very naughty and he wanted to climb the eggplant tree. While climbing to fetch an eggplant, he accidentally got hurt. His elbow was bleeding. Ellie started crying and was upset to climb down from the tree. When the elephant saw his friend crying, he wanted to help him come down. The elephant quickly went near the tree and got hold of Ellie with his trunk. When Ellie came down from the tree, he was very happy and hugged his pet elephant. As a surprise, Ellie took out an eggplant from under his shirt and gave it to the elephant, and the elephant ate it and was very happy. So here we have used the sound Ellie, eggplant, egg, elephant. We have used the short sound in the story. Moving on, we have a few more objects. So these are the objects with the long and both short sound. Here we have eye, and then ear and egg. Now the egg and the eye has the short sound and the ear has the long sound, ear. Once again, eye, ear, egg. Okay, so moving on, these were the objects with both the short and long sound. Okay, now we have the sound A, और जो हमने sound A पढ़ा है वो किसका है? वो इस letter का है, that is E. It's called letter E. So we also have some activities of letter E. So let's do them together. Now I have made the egg activity. This is an egg making activity. So it's up to you. Like I have made it like this. I have just cut out the piece of white paper, or when you can use a crayon. I have painted the yolk part, or you can also use these shells, or you can only make this part as well. So I have just done the other part. I have just made the egg. मैंने egg shell नहीं लगाए. You can also do it at home. It's pretty easy and you are surely going to enjoy it as well. And moving on, I am going to tell you about the written part. So with the help of your index finger on your workbook, you can do it like this. E, the short sound E. And you can also color these with your favorite color, and you need to practice along with the coloring that the short sound of E is E and the long sound is E. So here was the work that we have done. For the written work, you can use the workbook for the index finger writing and the coloring in the letter E. And we have also done the activity. We have done the sound of E in the story and the poem. So that was all for today. Thank you so much, and I will come with another video, another letter. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.